This whole little guy right down here is the carburetor. So that's what we're going to be taking out and looking over. I'm hoping that I wouldn't have to replace it, maybe take around with it, clean it some, and put it back on and see what happens. Alright, get you sit down right over here. Grab my tools. This is a 5/16 nut driver. Take the air intake off. Always put your nuts and bolts somewhere that you can find them later. Don't want to be losing no nuts. Okay, let's look at little tubes and hoses and stuff. Make sure I can put it all back the way it came off. Got little springs and such. This looks to be just a rubber housing that protects the various adjustable screws in here to adjust the, I guess, the timing or airflow or something on the carburetor here. So now we get the carburetor off. So the butterfly here on the air intake, there's a spring and a little arm. Close the butterfly all the way. Take that out. Not so bad. Appears to have one more springy to get undone. I'll be using lots of words that have no technical value whatsoever, because I don't know what most of the stuff is called. I'm just figuring things out. So this is a springy thing. It's attached to the throttle trigger here. Well, that looks like a bad seal to me. Gas is coming out. That right there is probably enough to keep it from firing correctly. I get you off. See if this will help some. Good thing I'm not a dentist. Perhaps. Alright. This is what I'm looking at. See, when you push the throttle trigger, pushes that forward. It pushes this forward right here. So what I'm thinking is if I disconnect it right there, I'll take the tension off and I can just pull the whole assembly out. Let's give that a try. That works. It does not want to come out. I believe this is the gas line that I'm trying to hold down here. That means we don't want to puncture it. All right, there we go. Almost got it off. There we go. Okay, now looks like the gas line goes directly into the back of the carburetor here. So we'll just take that fitting off, get this all the way off of here and take a look at it. Set you here so hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Never know until I get you into the editing how much you actually see of what I'm doing. Okay, that's gas. That was fun. It's under pressure. Alright, we learned something valuable there. You should probably empty your chainsaw of gas before you take off the carburetor. God. Okay. Back you up a little bit so I don't get gas on you. Apparently there's a good seal in the gas tank, between the gas tank and the carburetor, because it was under pressure. This is what I've been pouring my used oil and gas in. Guess I need to dispose of it sometime. Gas is gone. Be right back. Okay, let's see if we can do this again without anything squirting on us. Apparently not. There's still fuel in the line. Okay, setting it down again. I'm just going to have to let it squirt out. This is why you don't smoke while you're doing lawn equipment maintenance work. Plus it's bad for you. Okay, so what we're left here with is the carburetor. Now, if you recall, when I had it, that's the way it goes. when it was still on the chainsaw, gas was squirting out from right down here. So I'm thinking that that seal is broken. Let's take a look at it.